Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here are my signals for the week 7th of September until the 11th of September 2020. But let's first go to see what happened last week. Here are the signals that I provided last week. This is AUD USD. Our targets were at 0.7276 and the second one was 0.7602. Unfortunately, it didn't go to our target, just went shy and then came back again. The next one was the Euro USD. We got our target 1, but target 2 was not hit. And then after getting the target 1, the market started coming back down. Then we had the USD, GBP USD. In GBP USD, our target was hit. We got our first target, this one, and the second target we missed it, and the market started coming back down. Then we had the USD Canadian dollar, in which we got our first target, and then it went back up and then started coming back down. So next week hopefully we're going to get our target 2. Then we have the USD Japanese yen, where we were just about to get our target 1. Unfortunately, it didn't go that far, but then again a market reversed on the other side. Then we had the USD and Swiss franc. So our target 1 was hit on USD Swiss franc, and then it rebound back up. Then we had the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Again, our target 1 was hit, and then it came back. Hopefully our target 2 is going to get hit next week. So these are the 7 trades that we took, that we recommended, and you got some of them, you got target 1, some of them missed reaching target 1. Okay, now let's go and see what is for this coming week. Well, here are my forecasts for this week. Here is the Australian dollar against the US dollar chart, 4 hours. So we are expecting the AUD to go up against the US dollar, and we are expecting the target 1 at 0.7368 and target 2 at 0.7417 with the stop loss at 0.7136. Then we have the Euro USD. Euro USD, when the market opens, it may go down a bit and then start going up again. So if you see it start going up again, then you can enter anywhere, and this will be your target 1 at 1.1967 and the target 2 going to be at 1.2044 with the stop loss at 1.1755. Then you have the GBP USD. This too is going to go up, and our first target is going to be at 1.3488 and the second target at 1.3608 with the stop loss at 1.3055. And then we have the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. US dollar is weaker than the Canadian dollar, hence US dollar is going to come down, and it's going to come down. The first target is going to be 1.2998 and the second target at 1.2955. You can place your entry here, or you can enter as soon as the market opens, and the stop loss going to be same place like last time, 1.3208. Then we have the US dollar against the Japanese yen, and that too, US dollar is weak, so we're going to sell it, and we will take our first target at 105.09 and the second target at 104.31 with the stop loss at 106.97. So I would take my trade somewhere here. When the market comes here, I will enter, and then I'll get the first target is about 86 pips, and the second target is 167 pips. And the next pair is the USD Swiss franc. Now, USD Swiss franc is going to go up because US dollar is stronger than the Swiss franc. So it's going to go to our first target at 0.9202 and the second target at 0.9298 with a stop loss at 0.8993. And then we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So here again we are hoping that New Zealand dollar is going to go up against the US dollar and give us our target 1 at 0.6780 and target 2 at 0.6826 with the stop loss at 0.6598. Now these are the 7 major pairs that I've shown you how to trade and where to take profit 1 and take profit 2 and where you put the stop loss. Now take care and wish you all the best for the week, and see you next week then. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also click on the bell icon so that you get the intimation from YouTube as soon as I upload a video. Okay, thank you, take care, and bye-bye.